welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you how you can get Coursera certificates for free. If you want to learn any new skill, Coursera is a really nice e-learning platform which has many foreign good universities affiliated to it, and they provide courses from their top educators. So I really recommend that if you want to learn any new skill, you should go and check out Coursera. And if you want free certificates, so there are two ways which we'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started.
So guys, first of all, open the Coursera page, and I have logged in my account. You can also create your account and then log it in. It is a really simple process. Then you have all the courses here. So first process by which you can get free certificates is by applying for financial aid. But then there is one limitation, that financial aid is not for specializations. There are many specializations also that include 4 to 5 courses depending on that specialization, but but you can get it for some particular course. For example, we open this machine learning course which is offered by Stanford University. So you can see that there is an option for enroll for free, and you can also see that here it is written financial aid available. Financial aid is that they'll provide you the course in free, and also you will get a certificate for the same. So you can see this, continue to the application, and then you have to fill this form. You have to tick a mark all both of these boxes. You have to just copy the sentence and then continue. So here is the form which you have to fill, and on this form you will get financial aid. So you have to choose all your annual income, educational background, employment status, how much you can afford to pay, which you cannot afford to pay, that is why you are here. So you can leave that. Why you applying for this financial aid? You can mention here that you can't afford it. You can maybe mention here your annual incomes, or maybe your financial background, or whatever it is. Just be genuine. How will taking this course help you achieve in your career goals? Whatever you want to learn from this course, whatever you're planning ahead, what are your future goals, you can mention here all of that. And then would you consider using a low interest loan? No, of course not. So you can also mention here also, you'll have to write some answer which is genuine and they consider it to be valid, and then you just have to submit application. Then your application will be sent for review, and you will get a mail in your email ID by which you have made this account within 15 days. 15 days it will take to review, and then you will get this course for free of cost, and also you will get a certificate with it. So this was the first way to achieve a certificate for free. And the second method is by you can also message your university that you want to do some course from Coursera, and they can drop a mail to Coursera and they can sponsor your courses. For example, my university is GB Pant University. So I'll just log in from here, and then you can see that the courses will be sponsored from my university. For example, this course only, the Science of Well-being. See here that it is written sponsored by GB Pant Institute. So this is the second way for which you can enroll. There are many courses I have also enrolled and had earned a certificate just by my university dropping a mail to them.
Thank you guys for watching my video. But one important thing is that please remember that certificates are not that important. Once you enter in an interview, they are not going to give you a job just by looking at a certificate that yes, you own this skill, you know this skill, so yeah, we'll hire you. No, they'll experiment you, they'll ask you questions on that, they'll ask you to implement all that skills at that point of time, and if you were able to do it, then only you will get hired. So the quality of skill, you know, how much you know about that skill is important. So try to master skills whichever you know. Don't ever try to gather more and more certificates and just keep it there. They are of no use. Okay guys, if you want me to make a video on any topic of your choice, you can also comment that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching my video.